For all the ladies in love with Benedict Cumberbatch, hate to break it to you, but he is officially off the market. He and theater director Sophie Hunter swapped vows on Valentine's Day at a medieval church in England, one that dates back to the 12th century. The small private ceremony had about 40 guests, including Tom Hiddleston and Martin Freeman. Mr. Cumberbatch's rep told press it was a magical day. Benedict and Sophie met on the set of the 2009 thriller Burlesque Fairy Tales. They went public as a couple last year, announcing their engagement in November through a newspaper brief placed in the London Times. 2 months later, they announced they were expecting. Baby is set to arrive later this year. Do you think Benedict and Sophie will have a boy or a girl? And did you think you would be the one to tie the knot with the actor? Well, tweet me at Christy Koshaba and let me know. And check back here every Monday and Wednesday for more celebrity news.